Hello class, I'd like to show you how to set up the Kaltura screen capture to record your exam sessions. So open your Canvas page to Accounting 200, click on Kaltura My Media. Let's let that load up. And you'll see here some videos I've already prepared. But let's see how you do this. Go to Add New, Kaltura Capture New. Click on Download for Windows or for Mac. And let's go ahead and run it. Sometimes at the bottom it asks you to save it. And then you can save it and go find it probably in your download folder and then run it. And it's going to take a while to get this loaded up. Let's wait a few more seconds. Here it comes. And we want to go ahead and install it anyway. So it might take a few minutes to install. I'll go ahead and show you this first though. It's getting set up, and we'll click Next here in just a second, like right now. And we're going to use that folder and install. And now after it finishes installing, let's go ahead and click Finish. And then it should be installed on the computer. So what I had to do before is just go back to, let's say, Syllabus, and then come back to Kaltura My Media. Click here. Let it take a couple of seconds to load back up. And now we're going to go Add Kaltura Capture New. And this time, hopefully, it'll go straight to the capture screen and not have us reinstall it. So let's click here. And do you mean to switch apps? Click Yes. And we are waiting for it to come up, to launch automatically like it says. It takes a while for Kaltura to load up and get started. And I even cut out maybe around a minute from this video. So yours might take longer than you're seeing here, so just be patient, and it should load up and look just like this. That's not the one I want, so we're going to go here. And let's see, I want my big monitor. Yeah, this is the one I want. You can check the camera, and there's the camera. And so now, at this point, what you will do after you see your video here and it's working fine, I guess let's check the audio. I have it set up. Let me see which one is picking up. I want it to pick up this one. Okay, so now it's doing my better, using my better microphone at this point. So the camera is recording the video. It's going to record your screen at the same time. The next step then is to hit the red record button. And when I do this, I'm not sure if it'll work or not because I'm also recording this using Screencast-O-Matic. So I will click here and see what happens. It might stop the video. If so, that's okay. But your next step at this point, after you load up Kaltura, is to click Start Recording. And then I have a video already made that once you start here, it shows you what to do when the recording starts and when you're ready to take the exam. I'm going to go ahead and click Record Now. And it might be recording. No, it's not. Oh, there it goes. It's recording right now. It takes a couple of seconds. And this is where you would go into your syllabus go to the exam, and here you would start, let me see, you start the exam right here, exam number 1. You would start the regular way and get into Connect. I'm going to stop the video. Yes, I'll stop it. And it's going to be interesting to see if it actually works that way. And when you get here, change this to, I'm going to change this to like demonstration video. And I'll leave the date on it so I'll know the date. Kaltura installation demonstration video. Okay. I will click Save and Upload. So let's see what happens. And you can see here that it is uploading the video. It'll take a few minutes to do this. And of course, if you're recording an exam, it'll take longer. So it's sort of stuck at 10% right now. And this is only, just a couple of minute video. So it's uploaded. Don't want to delete this. And we don't need a new recording this time. So let's exit this window and see if it's back into the Canvas page. I'm going to exit. And then go to Kaltura My Media. And we'll see if the new video is already up here. Here are 2 previous ones I have. And another might load up. Let's go out of it again. Let's go to Modules. And then we'll come back to Kaltura. Yes, and here it is already. It takes a few minutes to get to the Kaltura website and then back down into the Canvas page. So if you don't see this video here right away, the one you produce, wait a minute or 2 or more than that, click on another link, and then come back to Kaltura My Media. So it's listed as private at this point. So let's leave that at private. And with your exam videos, I'm trying to figure this out as I go here. I'm going to click on the video right now and let's see what happens there. Click here. And I don't want to start it just yet. I want to look at some more options. Share here. This is where I want you to click this 3rd round button here. Click. Then copy this link. Make sure you click the button before you copy the link, or you won't get all the information you need in that link. So copy this, and then this is the link, this huge link here. This is what you will email to me, and then I'll be able to review it. So don't do anything else. Just click here and right there. I'm going to click the back button and see where we go. Okay, back to here. Okay, so it should be private, and once you send me the link to the video, then I should be able to review it. Okay, so I think that's it. I'll go ahead and end this video, and hopefully this explains how to install Kaltura, the software, and then how to actually use it. So again, remember, when you're ready to take the exam, come to this page, the Kaltura My Media, go to Add New, and click Kaltura Capture New. And that starts the process of Kaltura, where you check your screen and your camera and your microphone. And then once that's okay, you click Start, and then you go to the Connect page to start your exam. So, all right, I will end it here, and good luck.